Happiness, I think, as we know, is a fundamental human goal, and also it's a universal aspiration. That economic development alone is not good enough. Material well-being alone is not going to bring happiness, and therefore this has to be approached in a holistic, in an inclusive, in an equitable and sustainable manner. So you can see it has an element of sustainable development. So we have identified 9 domains and 72 indicators, which is based on surveys which we conduct periodically every 2 to 3 years. We have a commission called Gross National Happiness Commission, which oversees all development planning in the country, and every policy, every program has to be tested against the GNH tools. If they don't pass, then that policy or that program is not approved. We have been able to provide free health services. We provide free schooling to our children. By 2013, we should be able to provide electricity to all the households in the country. I think that is one of the examples. Yet at the same time our forest cover, which was 65% in the 80s, went up to 72%. In 2010, the forest cover has gone up to 81%. It does not take into account the natural capital. It does not take into account the social capital, the human capital. GDP grows even when there are wars. GDP grows even when there are disasters, natural disasters, because we spend money. GDP grows even when there is crime, because you end up spending money. And the most important is the present growth model is based on infinite natural resource use, whereas I think the natural capital is finite, and there's a limit. 16th of July 2011, last year, the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution on happiness. Happiness, a holistic approach to development.